Hey guys, welcome back to the build. And as we were doing the video to walk around the other day, and I had my keys and my infrared temp sensing gun out, a couple of guys were walking around, opportunistic guys, and they ended up taking the gun, the temp gun, and for whatever reason they thought it would be a good idea to steal the keys as well. Well, this is causing us a lot of problems because the wheels are locked, obviously. The steering column is locked because I only have one set of keys. And we have to drag this car across the street, which was not easy. So, today we're going to talk about Mercedes keys. What do you do if they get lost? Or if you're building the Gullwing and you want to go with a push button start, what do you do? Can you do it? Well, let's dive in. The Mercedes keys, they actually have a chip in them, so when that chip gets near the ignition key, there's an RF reader here. This ring right here is an RF reader, believe it or not. And this RF reader reads the chip in the key fob, and if it likes the data, then it's gonna send the information to this immobilizer. Okay, DOS, SKREEM, call it whatever you want. And then when this data is accepted, it will send the voltage or resistance to your engine ECU, so you can start the car. Oh shit, you can't just get a key and get this car going. I mean, you can get a new ignition set, a new immobilizer and ECU from a wrecked car and the keys, and that combination will work, sure. Okay, if you were smart enough to have a key duplicated, that would work also. But what do you do if you have one key and you lose it, or you want to go with a push start in the future for a more OEM look on the Gullwing? So guess what? You can actually rewrite the software, rewrite the code on this guy, actually bypass that and rewrite the code on the ECU. And to do that, you have to remove the immobilizer and the engine ECU. So we're going to show you how to remove the engine ECU. All right, Tito, you ready to be a cameraman?
Sure.
All right, here we go. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Okay, so this ECU over here, Tito, has 5 plugs. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay, and you can label these if you want, but I think the way they sit, you should be okay. The first plug is right here, Tito. Can you see this plug right here? It is gonna be straight up. So try to grab from the plastic and wiggle, 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 and out. Number 1, 2, 3, 4 have a cam strap around them. So, and a release. There's a release right here, and then you push down the cam, it lifts up, you remove. Do not exert pressure. If it's not coming out, you're not doing it wrong. You're not doing it right. Again, push release, and lever goes around, 90-degree angle. It disengages the Molex connector or plug, and you can remove it. Same song, same dance on number 4. Up and out. Number 5 has a release tab on the side. You push and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. This one's a little stiffer. And out. So 5 guys out to this side. ECU should come right up. Should. Unless it's held on with these locking tabs. And it is. I need a third hand. That's why some guys just remove them all the way, all together. Get some needle nose pliers. Stay there, right there for a second. Let's see if this will help. There we go. Make a root. So here's the ECU. I'll remove this piece of plastic here because you don't need it, honestly. Okay, now we're gonna need to remove the DOS system. Over here, Tito. So this is the DOS right here. Again, you push to release the cam, goes over 90 degrees, disengages, you release. These guys have a little push right here. And then this guy's same way. Boom. So now we have two pieces of the puzzle. So what we're gonna do is bypass this guy, write the code on this guy to not need the signal or fool it with just always having a signal saying, hey, you're good to go. And at that point, you could replace your ignition key right here. Let me show him right here. Tito, come on over here, or go over there, please. So now we can replace this guy. We can bypass him, honestly, for all intents and purposes. If you want to get a screwdriver in there, if you can turn the key, you should be able to start. We will need to really cut this out, unfortunately, to release the key, Woodruff key, or the pin, whatever you want to call it, to release the whole ignition. So we can drill it out right here. We can cut this tab, and let me show you on this example what I mean. Here's where the key housing lives, in this guy right here. So you can drill the tab out or cut this out to remove the key. And then either, I think somebody online provides a push button start for these. So ECU and the DOS, we'll send this out to our friend Josh, and he'll rewire write the code or change the code. I'm not a tech guy, so any way you nomenclature. Fix this guy, bypass this guy, so we can start the car again. Stay tuned. Now, back to chopping up. Should we cut it up some more?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.